60 types of popular white succulent with names and pictures. White is often considered to be a sign of peace and positivity, which are essential qualities of any type of yard. In a sea of green plants, white succulents can add just the appropriate touch of illumination. These wintry white succulents and cacti go well with any color scheme. Their light, subtle shade makes terrific wedding celebration decorations or devices. 2. 1. Agave white ice, Agave titanota. Agave titanota white ice is an easy-to-grow evergreen white succulent plant with whitish foliage, black ideas, and vibrant imprints on the back of each leaf. 2. Agave white striped, Agave americana metapicta alba. Agave white striped, Agave americana metapicta alba, commonly called century plant, is an evergreen perennial forming splendid rosettes of thick, spiny-edged, gray-green leaves, each with a bright, creamy white main stripe. 3. Aloe delta lights. Aloe delta lights is an attractive, brightly variegated plant that can grow up to 18 inches tall. White aloe plants are dark green in color but so greatly marked with a pale greenish cream color that the white plant leaves look to be all this color with zigzagging green horizontal bands. 4. Aloe lizard lips. This amazing forest green and white aloe is sure to add interest to any white succulent collection. The leaves of aloe lizard lip are surrounded by irregular teeth that appear on the surface of the leaves. 5. Aloe quicksilver. Aloe quicksilver is a distinct, captivating cultivar with thick, white succulent leaves mottled with green blotches. It is a strong grower and can tolerate rocky soil and droughts. 6. Aloe snowdrift. Aloe snowdrift has a snowy color and a terrific shape consisting of an uncommon leaf margin that is entirely spineless. This white succulent plant is a one-of-a-kind aloe variety with white fleshy flat leaves and a prominent green banding that almost completely covers the leaves. 7. Aloe white beauty. Aloe white beauty includes thick, light green leaves that are greatly covered with white blotches. Intense orange flowers. Aloe white beauty is a tropical plant, and in chillier environments, it is treated as a houseplant. 8. Arizona snowcap, Mammillaria gracilis. Arizona snowcap, Mammillaria gracilis, is a small white cactus largely covered with white plant spinal columns. As it grows, it produces many offsets and forms a dense clump. 9. Buxbaum cactus, Aspostupsis dubovsky. Buxbaum cactus, Aspostupsis dubovsky, is a monotypic genus, which means that the only white fuzzy cactus types in the genus are dubovsky. Stems branch only from the base and start growing a cephalium when about 1.5 to 2.0 meters high. 10. Crassula arborescens, silver dollar plant. Crassula arborescens, silver dollar plant, is a white succulent plant belonging to South Africa in the jade family. Grown as a houseplant, it has appealing rounded blue-gray leaves with maroon edges and small maroon speckles on the upper surface. Whether you would choose a furry, alabaster cactus or a frosty echeveria, you'll discover the excellent, snow white, delicious variety right here. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.